Making a hearty vegetable soup. Making a hearty vegetable soup is a nourishing way to consume a variety of vegetables in one meal. You will need 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 zucchini, 400 grams of canned diced tomatoes, 1 liter of vegetable broth, salt, pepper, and fresh parsley. Start by washing and chopping all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Peel and finely chop the garlic cloves and the onion. In a large pot, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic to the pot and sauté them until they are soft and golden. Add the chopped carrots, celery, and zucchini to the pot. Sauté the vegetables for about 5 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly. Pour the canned diced tomatoes and the vegetable broth into the pot. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the vegetables to cook thoroughly and the flavors to meld together. Before serving, chop the fresh parsley and sprinkle it over the soup. Enjoy the hearty vegetable soup with a slice of crusty bread for a wholesome and satisfying meal.